Hey, what's up? This week we're doing something a little different. So in this video, you will learn 4 different ways. Actually, no. 6 different ways. It's how you cake artists can stay organized only using Dollar Tree items. If you're new here, welcome. Thank you so much for tuning in. If you're a cake artist and you love watching videos like these and you enjoy cake decorating, you definitely want to hit that subscribe button. Alright, let's get started. So I found this cute little organizer and I thought it'd be perfect for like traveling. You know, like let's say you're going to like SoFlo or you're going to like Cookie Con, something like that, and you're competing in like one of the competitions there. You could easily fit like little things inside here and then make it easier for when you pack and you put this in your maleta, you know what I mean? Or if not, you could always use this idea to like keep your stuff inside too, but you could leave it at your working station at home. So just to give you an idea as to what I was able to fit inside, I was able to pack in some piping tips, edible paints, the sucky tubes that you use for like your alcohol when you paint with luster dust, fondant cutter, and color dust. So really, you can fill these things with whatever you want. You could buy like maybe 3 of these and fill one with all your piping tips, and then the other with all your luster dust colors, and then the other with, I don't know, your fondant cutters. Or this is just a little cute idea that you could do. It's not really an organizer thing, where you can add sprinkles into each and every single one of these little pocket things, and you can make like your own little sprinkle mix thing and gift it to somebody who loves like baking desserts and decorating with sprinkles. Hey, I would be extremely happy if somebody gave me a box full of random sprinkles like that. What? Alright, next up we have these flip top containers with these green lids that come in as a 3-pack. By the way, they actually come in pink lids, so if you're not crazy about green, you got pink. So I thought it would be a great idea to fill one of my containers with some baking soda, because how many of you guys know how annoying it is to get baking soda out of the box without making a mess? And also, this will keep your baking soda nice and fresh because it will have a lid to cover it. Into the other 2 containers, I decided to fill them with baking powder and salt. And salt is definitely another one that is a pain in the butt to pour out without making a mess. The next one we have is this tall container with a green screw-on lid. This would be great to keep your sugars in, or even your flour or cornstarch, or even chocolate chips. And again, if you're not a fan of green, they also sell these blue ones, but they're a little shorter. So if anything, you can just buy 2 of them to make one. At the Dollar Tree, I also found these drawers. They're small, but I do feel like they could definitely be useful. You could fit in some sculpting tools in here or some luster dust containers. Next, we have this container. I originally got this for something else a while back, but then I found that it could be useful for my bigger fondant cutters instead of putting them in like baggies. And lastly, we have this pen holder here. I thought it would be a good holder to put your fondant, sculpting tools, or paint brushes inside to hold. So that way at home, if you have a working space area, like a little desk or something where you work on your cake toppers and stuff like that, you can just sit it on the corner and just take out what you need. So if you found any of those organizing ideas helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and also make sure to share it with a friend or share it on your Facebook page. I would really appreciate it. So if you're new here, make sure to click the circle button right over here to subscribe to my channel, so that way you can continue to get some videos like these and like these. I make awesome cake tutorials, so you can check this playlist right over here. Thank you so much. God bless.